device right here. This will convert any of this mic, speaker, wireless mic or wireless speaker into a better sounding quality. Plugging in a converter, connect to a USB. Now this can be used on Android or iPhone. So I'm going to put it here first. It become red, and this is how you know that it's connected. And now let's try it out.
Baby, you're a song, I really wanna roll my windows down and cruise.
For Android, this USB-C converter, you connect to your sound card or mic.
Baby, you're a song, I really wanna roll my windows down and cruise.
Here is what I'm using. And now let's boost the microphone. We're not going to touch this because this is artificial boost.
Baby, you're a song, I really wanna roll my windows down. Cruise. Baby, you're a song, I really wanna roll my windows down. Cruise. Baby, you're a song, I really wanna roll my windows down. Cruise.
I'm trying to sing it worse so that you can hear different volume and I don't get copyright strike.
Please like, subscribe and comment. Below is my previous videos, to the center is my other videos, and to the side of it is my playlist for different topics in different playlists. You can check that out for my previous and future videos that is to come. So thank you for watching. Famous Cyber Gamer signing out.